run several real estate brokerages out of Charleston, South Carolina. For a period of time working in this business, I envisioned having an app that would help real estate agents keep track of all the tasks they need to do during a real estate transaction. And I developed some tools for that purpose in spreadsheet formats. However, I'd envisioned some app format version of that idea to where a mentor agent could oversee a trainee agent to help make sure they're staying on top of things. In the same format, a team lead could keep track of the team agents staying on top of their tasks during transactions. And so the first project I reached out, put several jobs out on the internet for looking for help with that, was getting help with user interface design. And ZAPTA was the first to respond and was incredibly diligent in that work. We went through a couple of cycles of redesigning, and again, they were great to work with. They were very thorough to work with on getting the user interface designed. But then, of course, the next natural step is to have it develop into a working app, which I already had a good experience with ZAPTA. But to be fair, I did go ahead and place the job out on several work websites to look for subcontractors to develop the work. And it was no question after I got the bids back that I was going to continue working with ZAPTA. Their scope of work was the most thorough one I'd ever seen. They were going to dedicate a team to me, not just a single developer, but it was going to include a back-end developer, a front-end developer, and not just one, several back-end developers, several front-end developers, as well as a dedicated project manager. And actually, before I got into real estate, I used to be an IT project manager. And so I was impressed to see that for my project, my application, they were going to have a dedicated PM working with me on that project. And so it was a great experience, very thorough, go through testing cycles and some iterations. And again, communication was constant and consistent the entire time. So it was a great process to work through with them. So I can highly recommend, if you're considering having an application developed or need guidance on having an application developed, that ZAPTA is a great company to work with, and I can recommend them highly. Thank you.